tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear.
Morning, how's everyone doing today?
What's good? What's good?
Good and good. Did you end up taking that Asia session bias? Because I noticed you left before we did.
Man, I could not keep my eyes open any longer. I fell asleep. But,
Did you hold it
no,
for the full TP?
Me?
Yeah.
I took some off at 1-1 and let the rest go.
Perfect. Hit full TP, right?
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
I did. I caught the sell in London though, but yeah, I couldn't.
Nice.
I couldn't stay awake. It didn't look like it was gonna. It looked like it was just sort of volume had died.
Yeah, we did.
And then of course I left, and it goes straight to TP.
So, real quick before I go make my coffee, what I am looking at today is sales. We are still in a range between pretty much this previous daily candle high, 38.24, and first range is going to be between there and Asia low at 37.83. And Asia low at 37.83 pretty much failed. They can close above a previous minor high that broke structure right here to the left. Now, what we have also in this range that we need to pay attention to is that both ranges has a minor break of structure. One of them is to the downside and one of them is to the upside. Now, since we have that, well, what do? Now, I am looking for sales because, like I said, we have this BOS to the left, which is a minor BOS, and a minor BOS to the upside. However, this low, pretty much at 37.83, failed to close above the high that previously created it. Okay, it failed to do that. Now we have in this new minor range here between London high at 38.12 and this low here at 37.92, that is our minor range. So I like to call that a range in a range or in between a range. That's what I like to call it. And we pretty much have this bearish momentum, right? And now we've had this pullback here. Now, with this pullback here, there's nothing wrong with the pullback, of course, because I am expecting this to get all the way to this 1 hour supply, and then we reject from there. Now, as far as the setup goes, because of the BOS we have to the left, and we have not actually taken out the major highs on the higher time frame, if we start rejecting this supply, I need to see the sellers coming, aggressive selling, then another pullback, then I'm going to take it, anticipating that we pretty much come back to this 5-minute demand area, or we come back to the Asian low and even possibly grab it and tap this 1 hour demand, and we start pushing up again, and this time we possibly might break this high. If we fall here, there possibly might be an Asian move. Asia session move. So we'll see if my sell analysis is correct. So for now, that is what I am looking at. All right, time to go make my coffee. YouTube, I'll be right back. Jamaica, good morning. Such a trader, good morning. Oh, wow, please take over for me.
Yep.
I can see this going up from here, the supply.
Yeah.
VWAP sort of acting as support right underneath this shit.
I don't like where it's at right now. Like
Ah,
on the POC, it's on
yeah,
VWAP, VWAP sideways.
yeah, horrible.
It's even chopping all over the New York value area low. It's just chop fest right now.
Yeah, stay away, stay away.
Oh, where was your sell at on London?
Oh, my sell was right at the highest. I got it in get my price. So I managed to get in at 3777.1 on Forex.
377.1. Oh, very nice, very nice.
And then I closed for 70 pips because my target was just that little support that it formed where the sort of the value area high is now.
Yeah, very
But
good,
then it
very
just
good.
tanked even more. But
Yeah.
so is what it is.
Yep. Edwin, how's your trading day been?
Edwin, I need to talk to you, man. I popped my head into Gideon's stream and said hello, and he was looking at the same cell, but he wouldn't take it, and I was asking why, but I don't know, probably wasn't looking.
Oh. Did Gideon take a sell?
He was looking at it. It was looking in the same place, but yeah, I didn't take it. I don't think it gave him his setup.
Oh, okay.
But it would have been great. It would have worked out.
Yeah, I can see why they didn't take it. There's no real like break and retest on the, time chart.
Yeah, and I was purely looking. If you look at yesterday's sort of late New York, I think it was, when that huge sell off.
Yeah.
Well, I just as soon as it tapped that with aggressive buying, I just took it off the rip.
Yeah.
What about
Yeah,
you?
Edwin. I sold it during Asian session before Tokyo Open. Caught like 40, 50 pips or something like that. And then London, I took a buy during the yeah, it was like pre-London time. It tapped value area low of New York, kissed it, and then shot up. And but I only took like I think it was like not that much. I think it was like 50 pips, but it went up way more. It went up like 100 pips, but I only closed at 50 because it kind of shot up with like gaps. So I was like, oh, it's probably gonna 180 and come back down and tap
Mhm.
the demand that it made because it never tapped the demand.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I will say am I was tempted to try to long this gold at around VWAP, but it just looked too choppy.
Yeah,
And
it looked nice, but it's also coming back as quickly as it's going up.
Yeah.
Looks nice for a little scout there. You got the VWAP POC just sort of supporting price above. But then you've got like a little resistance forming. I don't know. I think it would just be very stressful.
Yeah. I would have gotten stopped out break even for sure. After it started chopping all over the place, it's like, ah, man, too much chop. I need to go break even.
Yeah, too much stress.
Edwin's not
I'm
even talking.
too
Sorry,
engrossed.
you're
Maybe they're
saying?
in a trade. Maybe they're in a
Yeah,
trade.
maybe they're in the trade, right?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, see that straight back down.
Yeah. Man, the amount of barcoding happening here, my God.
Yeah. Oh man. I tried so hard to stay awake for Asian session, but it was so dull.
I only trade Asian session for like an hour and then I just call it quits. And then London, I just give it like an hour and a half, maybe two, and then I call it quits. And then New York, I'll give it like 2 hours and call it quits. It
Yeah.
helps me to, not spend too much time staring at charts.
Yeah, then you got the whole day. I assume you just chill out, or you got the whole day to do other stuff.
Yeah. And I find that like my best trading, I come to the charts, setup happens real fast. I take it, bam, I win, I'm done. And that's like all my best trades. I just come straight on, in a few minutes I'm done. And then I leave.
Yeah, yeah,
And then the trades that tend to like suck where I get break even, take a loss, or I'm in it for fucking forever is the ones where I'm like sitting there and staring at the chart for like ages and then I take the trade. Man, this thing's gonna explode to the high side, isn't it? It's
yeah.
like
I think it
coiling
is.
hard.
Yeah, yeah. I do. I really think it might. I would like a sell though. I think just let it get high and then short it. I don't think it's got enough juice or liquidity to break the highs again, like all-time highs. That is. Ah, Wall's in a buy.
I'm in the buy.
Yeah, I knew it.
I'm like, it looks like a buy. Well, I better fucking take it.
Okay, beautiful.
Let's see if it. Uh-oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm gonna put break even. Big selling came in, but it was like a big buyer pending order. I don't know about how I feel about that.
Yeah, 8804.4.
Yeah.
He's not. He's on the wrong side of it, I think. I think this might keep going up.
Yeah, I hope so. Dang.
Okay.
Oh,
See what he does.
Hey, Rodrigo, how you doing? Morning, Joseph. Redstone, let's get the W. Get the W. He always says that.
Yeah. He's gonna tag me out. Uh, okay, he got me. Damn, no follow through, eh? Stupid seller. Why you ruin it? Morning, Alex. Rodrigo. Oh, it's gonna flip bullish. This guy. Gold, you choppy bastard. Why so choppy? Uh-oh. It's not gonna flip bullish.
Anticipating we might want to do 5 minute subline at 1 hour.
Let's see. Do we have news? Okay, no news. Orange folder at 30 minutes past NYSC. No Trump talking. Looks good.
We only have folder.
Yep. Man, I swear to God, I should just like counter trade Top Step TV. They sold gold at the like it was like where was it? 20 minutes into the session. So they sold it at 97, 97.6. 97.6.
97.
Yeah, 97.6. It was like the bottom of one of these wicks here, like there or something.
Like right over here. Oh,
Oh,
the
okay.
bottom
Yeah,
of
yeah,
this
yeah,
wick.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, they sold the bottom of the wick, and
Jeez.
and then there's stop losses, of course, up here.
That,
Like zero technical analysis. They just keep doing this opening range trade, they call it. It's like whatever the 5 minute candle is, they just take the breakout of it, the high or the
how,
low. It's so dumb.
how are they funded? I don't know.
I don't know. It's like the perfect wrong trade. It's like sniper the bottom and then like man, just perfect wrong trade. Um,
Remember, guys, if this 5 minute supply holds, we see aggressive selling before we do anything. Yeah. This low right here. Uh, uh, so this low right here came from 30-minute demand. Now, since we know what happened here, it is very risky if this 5 minute supply holds to just take it. So it could come all the way down, but I would rather wait to see the sellers coming first, meaning we see aggressive selling, pull back. If we hold, then that is when I'm going to take a sell here. If I do not get that, I'm just going to keep waiting and see how we react at the lows again. Initially, that Asia session buys, I was going to target this 30-minute resistance. Then again, I'm like, I even used, it was this supply that I had my target on. Now I was like, these two supplies here, freaking strong, came down hard from there. Especially the 30-minute supply. It might just jacked, come down a little bit before going up. I wasn't expecting that it's going to come down hard like this. Expecting it to
What
get
was
back to the resistance.
how much
Huh?
did you get on that trade? Like it looked like at least 2R, right?
2.5.
Nice, nice. You'd be sad if you were targeting all the way up there to the
Yeah,
all-time high.
definitely will be. I was already asleep by the time you hit me.
That's the best kind of trade. Just wake up to the win.
And I was still awake when he hit 1-1.
Oh, okay.
Gold is still kind of bullish. Of course, it's not kind of. It's bullish
Super
overall.
bullish.
It is bullish overall.
Wait a minute, what?
Huh?
No, you're lying. This is bearish as fuck.
Oh, another thing I forgot to mention. If you look at this new range between London High and I think this London low? It can be London. Give me a sec. Oh. Okay, looks like this is London low. So between London High and London Low, of course London is still open, closes in an hour 30 minutes. We have one BOS, and the BOS we have is to the downside. BOS means breakout structure. So we are going to keep looking for sales here until we break highs or we come to a lower demand. I was so tempted to take this here. I'm like, nope, wait for your setup. Don't get impatient now. Take that and it doesn't work out, don't punch yourself. Good morning, Joey.
Also, the best trades, it's not like clustered with like non-stop barcoding candles.
Man, when I put the risk, when I use the risk to reward tool on TradingView and I saw how big, I'm like, wait a minute, thing looks so big. Is this thing gonna get all the way up there? You know what? Let me just take my one. Then again, I was like, man, F this risk to reward tool. That's my final target.
Oh, NYSE just opened.
Yep, I want to see that so much.
Okay.
Look at how big this thing is.
What am I supposed to be looking at?
Oh, I was just
Is it on YouTube?
I was just showing YouTube. I mean, it's in Discord, you guys. Saw it
Oh
already.
yeah. I'm not gonna lie. That would not work out in London session because only Asian session has that kind of like distance
Oh yeah,
that it can
yeah,
travel.
yeah. Right now, only Asia. Even I mean, New York, you don't even know when it's gonna do that type of move.
Yeah, it's like sometimes New York can make a big move, and then other times it's terrible.
Hmm. I like this previous 5-minute candle. I love the way it closed. Be nice to see get another, at least another decent closure. This candle pretty much closing below the previous one. That would be nice. I don't even care if
Oof.
wow.
Damn.
Yeah, beautiful.
Guess I should have taken it up. You know, I didn't like it. Okay, looks. Because I prefer the 1 hour supply. Again, trading is not about you. Steam will do whatever he wants to do.
Yeah. Did you sell it, Pi?
Yeah.
Yes, he did.
Yeah. I've just closed now though. Just I'm not fucking with you. What?
Oh, we're gonna take that video. Everywhere changing its mind.
I thought you would have taken it because you had the sort of the break over here and then the retest here and then the move, rather than it happening
Yeah.
again.
Yeah. It's because I wanted that 1 hour supply. So if it's pretty
Yeah.
much rejected where I'm not anticipating, then I need it to come back to the new one he made at least.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Plus over here, it's choppy compared to here.
And you never know. It could have been like, buyer sitting right here, pulls back just a touch, and then goes back up even higher.
This candle closes into me. Should be pull back around here where we're pretty much rejecting from right now. So we got a 15-minute demand here. Should be pull back there to fake the buyers in and sellers take over again. And just break straight through it. But you never know. Okay, as of right now, if we can come back to this 5, that'll be lovely. Can't trade on my top 1 for this session because I made my daily target doing issues.
Okay, nice, nice.
I wasn't doing that earlier on, so now I have to make more than what I'm supposed to make because of the consistency rule.
Oh, yes, there's that.
I wasn't paying attention to that. I still trade top step and fine. Um, I decided to give Apex a shot again. That's why you guys see I'm not placing trades on trading view anymore.
Uh-huh.
I was a 100K one. I was 3K. No, was it? No, 35, and then came all the way back down to I think 105, 105, and I was gonna take it trade and it wouldn't let me take it because of their trailing drawdown
Uh-huh.
spin. I'm like, no, F it, like, I ain't trying them no more.
You know, we've all told you how bad Apex is like 100 times.
Yeah, their trailing drawdown is trash. Like, I'm still in profit, bro. That, like, what the hell is going on here?
Yeah. And they just make up new rules to not pay people. It's like, you know what? Too much people making money. You gotta like film yourself now and show us
That
everything and all
that
this blah blah.
that was actually the reason why I wanted to try it again, because I want to see the excuse they're gonna give if they try to deny me. What proof do you want? I have it. So now what are you gonna say? I'll just give them my channel name. Okay, there you go. Say something else. Be able to say, oh, you're using algo or copying someone else's trades. You won't be able to do that with me. We missed this trade. Maybe we did. Now, also one thing I must say, if you have a setup and all you're doing is just waiting for your setup, then you really did not miss the trade. You just did not get your setup. Every trader should have a setup anyways, because if you don't, just getting into trades blindly, and if you win, you just got. You need setup.
Yeah. Also, that's not a good way to think. Where it's like, oh, I missed this trade. I missed it. It's like there's 100 trades. Don't worry about it.
Mm-hmm. For example, this week I've only taken one trade, and that was last night, Asia session.
The best trade.
Yep. I haven't taken anything else. Yep, it's not on right now because I got on from outside right in my face. That's why it's off. Used to not be like that, but for whatever reason, the sun likes to be on my face every month. I'm not complaining though. I'm gonna go use the some real quick, guys. While please take a look for me.
All right. Edwin, what's going on? Why aren't you talking? What happened? Speak to me.
What? Me? Man,
Yeah,
I'm
why are you
sleepy
so
already.
quiet? Okay.
I just ate my dinner and I'm sleepy.
Oh, how'd the trading day go for you?
It's pretty bad. I took a ugly trade, basically. Instant stop loss.
Oh, what was it?
I tried to buy here. Like I saw, I think it's this one here. Saw like a 30 demand,
Uh-huh.
and I saw the 15 that didn't close below it. Tried again and failed again. So I just take it at the break of the 30 highs.
Oh,
And it was flush through. Even though like I want to buy earlier was around here, but since I thought like maybe she wanna go up from here, so I just typed it.
okay, let me see.
Edwin, ask Gideon why he didn't take that sell this morning.
What
Okay.
what sells? The
You know,
gold?
on his London session, yeah, he was looking to sell like up here.
Yeah,
I said hi, and then he wasn't. I don't know, ignoring me. It was rude, really rude.
it's probably too late for him. That's why I didn't take it. Yeah, he was anticipating the sales, but since I saw the 15 failed to close below this, and the 30 actually tapped the demand, so it's kind of like my setup for the buys. That's why I took.
Normally, like I say it like all the time, like, if it breaks this low, I consider it broken. I don't really care if it closes below or whatever. It's like it's broken, and I'm expecting it to continue. Like I'm expecting, okay, that. So like you could take a buy and then maybe
Yeah,
like get back up there,
yeah. The mistakes that I made was I didn't wait for this. Like I entered too quickly.
The SMP is not.
I usually wait for this. She made this, and then I'll take it at the break here.
Mm.
But yeah,
I know it's at the demand, but
And then
I
when
was
you have those like,
off.
sorry, go ahead.
Sorry, what'd you say?
Oh, I was just gonna say, so like when you have those like liquidity grabs, it's like I don't want to think about it like here in the middle of this
Yeah,
move, right? I
Thank
want
you,
it to
but
be like at a major low where it like possibly double bottomed and had a huge move or something. Then it's like, okay, it could wick out this major low and then can still,
yeah, that's
you
the
know,
mistakes.
as it
That's
is,
the mistakes.
next one.
yeah, it's like this. There's no liquidity grab of
Yeah,
this. It's like
it's
it's
a
just a
freaking bad
break.
trades.
Same thing with that one.
Yeah, I guess I deserve it.
Mm.
Yeah.
You didn't take the buy with Abe in
I
Asian?
missed it actually. God damn it! I
Oh,
was waiting
okay.
for these candles. I think the 5 minutes to close bearish, and then she
Uh,
suddenly flipped bullish. So I like panic a bit, and then she just gone.
oh, dang.
I'm like shit. Oh, she's gone. And then I wait for the retest. She never came.
What a day.
I think Abe
Yeah,
took
probably
it
that's
on
why
the bullish
made me
candle,
down during London.
right?
What? Sorry?
Did Abe take it on that candle, the bullish candle?
I think it's around. Well, let me see.
Because from his like picture, it looks
That's
like he
around
took
here,
it
I
on that.
think. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think he took it on the bullish flip.
Yeah. At first, I thought like she gonna close bearish like this. I was like preparing, waiting for it to close, and then she suddenly flipped bullish. I was like panicking, like shit. And then she just gone.
What a
Oh,
crazy move,
seriously.
though. Holy.
Sad. I was actually anticipating this bias. It's like,
This is blushing. This is gone.
now gold looks interesting.
Please don't buy it, Edwin. Please don't buy it. Please. You can, and it might work out, but that would mean you would do it again, and I don't think it'll work out again.
Pardon? Pie? The bias you mean?
I said, please don't buy this from here. Please don't buy it.
Oh man. Yeah, I'll see how she goes. Because to me, she kind of looks like this. Like, we go impulse, right? And then there's like this, I think. And then she broke this. So if she rejects here, I believe she's gonna go up. Yeah, on the hourly.
My God.
Although she could go lower would be better too. But I'll see how she react to this demand.
Check.
Your mic is super quiet.
Okay, there we go. Yeah, so I was saying, I'm expecting to see go to the grab at least at these lows today.
Which low ping?
Go AJ low.
That far?
Yeah,
I thought she could actually reject from here because this is the hourly demand creating the minor BOS.
well, it was a minor view, but
Mm-hmm.
not major.
Yeah. I mean, she was bullish, so I thought like this could be the bullish continuation, maybe.
If that was the case, then shouldn't have created this lower high and started coming down aggressively. And now,
Yeah, that's why I want to wait a bit more, like to see whether she want to break it or not.
plus, if you look at this range, this minor high here, because this is the low that created it, and we couldn't even close above that. So I'm definitely not looking to buy this. Alright.
Yeah.
You see. Hmm. I don't know. Trading view Trolling profile is not accurate.
Yeah, it's not. It guesses the volume.
Yeah.
So it's just like basing it off of how much time is spent at like, like the 1 minute chart. It like just guesses that this much volume has been placed because the 1 minute candle has been here for how long. It can't actually like see like if someone just decides to fucking start hammering hundreds of lots and it's like, oh, it doesn't even know.
Makes me wonder if other indicators and trading videos are like that.
I assume so. I assume so.
Even this
It makes me question even the volume candle at the bottom of the screen, those bars that go up and down.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, is that even legit?
Quiet today.
Yeah, super quiet.
Come on, man. Get back to that 50. We need 12. Just need to get it to at least close 796. Indicators are for kids, those traders. I don't know what you're trying to say, and it price action.
Anteater, tell me what price action is. New hourly candle coming up in 2 minutes.
Yeah. I don't think it'll get today.
Oh yeah, he's not. No. Damn, Pi left. Jesus.
Probably had to
Oh
help his
yeah.
kids from school.
Indicators are for kids. Price action is king, but he can't tell me what price action is. Beautiful. That's beautiful.
Oh, looks like gold wants to keep coming down. Alright, G says it wouldn't conclude that way. I think you should create a system that makes you money because there's lots of base trader making cool money out there. Hey,
Beautifully said.
this is my opinion on that one. You said indicator based trader. See, those traders, they're not really indicator based. They're okay, so in order for you to be able to use indicators successfully, you have to use it as confirmations. That's it. Because if you only trading based off of just an indicator, it's going to be very hard for you to be successful. You still have to combine it with price action. Because 99.9% of those indicators they are not accurate. The only indicators that I do respect when it comes to indicators since I started trading futures is VWAP and volume profile. And even those two, you still have to use them. With price action, you still have to understand price action. That's just my opinion.
I say use, do whatever you want, Just make money, man. Just make money.
I remember, I think I've said it before. I've used Chimoku Cloud, I've used in averages, I've used in double EMAs, triple EMAs, I've used the alligator, I've used MACD, I've used RSI, and when I was using especially MACD and RSI, I was not even looking at what price is doing. I was not doing that. I would just be like,
Oh,
okay, once we freaking above the indicator, then I'm looking for buys. And then let's use VWAP as an example. Now, see how price is over here? Right? If I took a buy once we got up to the VWAP, but then again, this is not a good example. But we're gonna go ahead and use it anyways. I take a buy here, I win. Now come over here. If I took this buy here, boom, I lost. If I took this buy here, boom, I lost. That's already 2 losses and 1 win here. Over here, I'll win. Over here, I'll win. But then this is well, this is a different indicator. Over here was below, I took a loss. Maybe I should add the moving average.
yeah. VWAP's not a good one to judge.
Yeah, this is not this is not a good one to use as an example because it's different. It's more accurate than any of the indicators.
Yeah, it's telling you the price and where, how much volume is being traded at that price. So obviously if it's going up, people are buying at prices higher and higher. So it's very accurate. Then if like it spikes the highs with low volume, it won't move. Then, it's like,
So in my opinion, if you're gonna use any indicator at all, and whether you trade forex or futures, man, just use VWAP.
oh, but what you were saying earlier, it's like if someone does use indicators and they trade just off of it, they won't even be profitable. So, it's like,
Yeah.
yeah.
As long as you're combining it with price action, then yeah, it'll be good.
Yeah. Yeah, volume is a good indicator. Well, it's the only indicator. Like, I don't like the word indicator, but yeah, volume is a good piece of information because, you want to know how much, like if there was like a ton of volume buying or selling, which is why that VWAP thing works so well, or
Yeah,
the volume profile.
yeah, and that's why volume profile is good too.
There's only 2 things that you are really like trading off of. It's like what's the price and how much volume is being traded. It's like that's all you need.
For example, and in my opinion, I feel like the best way to use volume profile is to wait for the volume to come in and wait for price to reject the POC. That's the best way to. If you look at this one and trading video is freaking wrong. Why is it taking forever to? Yeah. See right here, the volume came in. You'll see right here, and here on TradingView, it's rejecting it. It's rejecting it here. It is wrong. It should be just up a little bit. Where's yours at? Wow.
I do it for session. So hold on.
Yeah, that's what that's what this one is too.
I'm doing it like for just the New York session and the other global session. So New York
Wait,
session is.
I don't think.
Yeah, that one says
This one
all.
is, yeah, this
So
one
you
is.
need to change it from all.
Okay, maybe
Right.
that is.
Yeah, you just do like market only,
Market
so that
only,
should be
let's
US
see.
only.
Okay, maybe this guy. I could. Still not.
Oh no, no.
Nah, still
So
not
it's at
activated.
97. New York session 97. It's like there or something.
I like to draw it myself. See this range? Let's draw it from this swing high and this low right here of this range, and it's it's around 3801.6. Yeah, around there.
Man, I swear to God, New York session is the best, isn't it?
Hmm.
uh, couldn't barcode anymore. Jesus.
Hmm. Okay. Ready to say it's at again? 3797.
Yeah, 97 for New York session.
And it's 3798.4. Just slightly,
98.
slightly higher than.
But you know, roughly in that area, so and yeah, New York traders are not having it. They're like, nope.
Hey man, can't even get to the 30 minutes. Why?
Yeah.
Even at least get to the 30. There's something people catch on a couple of months down the line, come back to it. But early, tell us get clapped. Definitely price action plus indicator, absolutely. We're able to take a sell. I'm just gonna target this 1 hour delay. I wanted to go higher and reject the high. Any other flow expert? What do you guys think of women shrimp trading? Over here, our other flow expert is wow. I don't know about women shrimp. I don't know. I know nothing about the dude.
Yeah. I don't know anything about them, but you know, um, if you're wanting to learn order flow, just Google it, man. There's like a lot, like, there's enough information to start on YouTube, and yeah, don't get hyped up or focused on this like one person's name because I don't know anything about him. He might be a good trader or whatever, but I don't know. Usually when you focus too much on one person, it tends to be a like a con man, like, you know, just selling you some shit. It's like they're good at marketing. I was shocked when I found out that Tory Trades is full of shit. It's like, you know, it's like, oh, she uses trend lines? Okay, shit. I guess trend lines work too. And then it's like, oh wait, she's full of shit. Oh man.
You took it by King Capo. All right. Good luck to you.
Oh, I took a buy in gold?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, not me. That's King Capo.
Yeah. Jeez. I don't know. It looks too risky to take a buy on gold, man.
Man, his name just reminded me. Oh man. Okay. Trend line with supply and demand works. Not sure they mean. Yeah, of course it should.
Yeah, if he caught the low. And I've never really liked trend lines anyway, because it's too subjective. Just draw them however you want. I remember there's one guy on Abe's YouTube, and he's like, it's rejecting the trend line, and I'm like, what trend line? I can't see it. And he's like, oh, the trend line from like here to here. You see, it's rejecting. You see, it's like it rejected here, and it's like what? How are you gonna draw a trend line like that? It's like, oh, okay, whatever, I guess. You can draw it like this. You could draw it like
This,
the
you see this?
body. You could draw like that. Shit, you could draw it all over the place.
Yeah.
It's just
You see
not.
the first one you do. You
Uh-huh.
do this this one, yeah, one right here.
Yeah, yeah.
Thing is, it's not even complete to the upside because it only has two touches. One, two. That's it. Not even complete. But I've seen people draw a trend line like this. People trend line like that. And then they'll take the sales because you know, oh, it broke, and then we tested it.
Oh, okay.
Notice when I check trade based on trend lines without liquidity works best, but with liquidity works best. End of day becomes supply and demand with support and resistance. Absolutely. I think I've explained that if I was a trend line trader, how I would use it, I wouldn't be taking breakouts of trend lines. I'll wait for the break and then another retest of the trend line. That's what I would take. And me doing that, I'm pretty much trading supply and demand. Pretty much. Oh, you thought this was manipulation?
It's like just come to the conclusion that the market is just buyers and sellers, and how much are you buying, how much are you selling? So supply and demand, and then volume to figure out how much is being bought and sold. Everything else is just a visualization of that in a different way, which can help some people. Oh man, it's going up. This guy's eating. He's eating on those buys.
Really expected to nice. Hey man, back.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who were you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I
Man, I want to see gold just drop down to like 781. Let's go straight down.
They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I
Who was the guy who took the buy?
and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it.
I hope that guy who took the buy has already taken some profit and gone break even or just closed it. 37.50. 37.50. Are we talking about 4x? Yeah, it must be 4x. Yeah, okay. Yep. Trust me, institutions don't have stop losses at 37.50. Retail traders have stop losses there. Institutions, they're not going to have like a stop loss. The easy way to understand that is if I'm an institution, I might have like 1,000, 2,000 lots of gold. And if it hits my stop loss, can you imagine what's going to happen? It's going to market execute 2,000 lots. It's going to spaz the market out. The market, you're going to see the like a fucking giant 50, 100 pip candle.
I got nightmares in my head, fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life
3750 will be protected at all costs.
keep me from hopeless psychosis. If I keep moping,
I don't know. Maybe. Oh,
I
see
think
you, Edwin.
this is coming down.
Yeah, I think so. The only thing that we know is we don't know. But, you know, all indications is pointing down.
let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose won't have it.
Damn.
In a casket.
A lot of volume coming in.
Weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer.
So, Bite, what'd you do? Did you take more cells? Buys? What'd you do? Took a buy and a sell?
Oh God, I wish I had that song.
Man, when it pulled back up, I wanted to take a sell, but the way the candle shot down, it'd be too big of a stop loss for me. Man, it would have been like 38 pip stop loss. Like, that's crazy. I want a 15 pip stop loss, man. That's like more than double. Yep, there you go. And if you have a 15 pip stop loss, it's so easy to get your 2R, 3R. Yep. Easy to recover that loss. You take a loss and you're like, whatever.
I want this to break that, get to that lower demand, and then reverse.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
but
81.
at
81 is massive.
this point, it's the best thing we can do is to wait for the buys at the possible buys at this demand here. Have to wait for the same thing for here for the sale. Was not expecting it to not even tap it. Didn't even tap the 30. And if we pretty much have a failure to break Asia low 37.83, then I'll be expecting it to go all the way back up to the 30 minutes of like, yeah, about this one.
I don't like the way it's going down. I wish it just, you know, do it in one go instead of this manner.
You could actually do it at this demand because it's pretty much at the lows now.
Yeah.
Don't wait, you might decide that we're not gonna break below because we have BOS to the upside and BOS to the downside.
And people love buying gold.
You know, about trading, you gotta look at both scenarios: buying, selling.
This is also your Asian trade, so you know there's buyers down here.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's done a full trip.
yeah. The Asian trader took the buy on this candle.
That's crazy. Isn't that crazy? It went
Mm,
up like a couple hundred pips and it's like back down there but before
mm.
the day's even over. That's the market
If
for you.
it gives a retest of this, yeah, I'm gonna switch to buys. I was just visualizing it. Does make sense if it decides to reject this one down here.
Damn.
If it doesn't come down, could we take buys if the new 5-minute demand is created? As of right now, we do not have a 5-minute demand right now, except for right here to the left. So since we do not, if this candle closes bullish, especially if it can close above the previous one, and we still need to wait for it to come back here, pretty much that would be a double bottom. We could either reject or we could come down and grab this new low, and then I would take buys. That's if we can get another bullish candle closure above this previous one.
Damn, Killer Beat's got some iron hands, eh? Took one trade and he's just done for the day.
Who?
Kill the beat.
Uh-huh.
I'm a bit of a retard. If I take a loss, I kind of want it back.
Right now, this is not looking good for the buyers. Don't need this buy. That's gonna coming down. Coming down with a lot of volume.
New York. It's been relegated to the worst session.
New York has not been the best. It's yeah, to be honest.
Yeah. I remember back in the day, New York was it was the one.
Yep, Jack was the king.
Boy.
Because of the BOS on both sides, this demand can still hold. But then again, now to the sell side, you got this, but we still have this rated that high. BOS here, upside. So this can still doesn't, and we should grab it and hold 1 hour. Shouldn't close below it. And if this holds, pretty much going to wait for that for our aggressive push. If we have a 5-minute demand, fine. If we don't, still just gotta wait for it to come back here, and then we take. At that point, just that. Nah, I'm probably not gonna. There's no time for me to target all the way there, all the way up here.
Oh, you're muted.
Oh, you gotta be freaking kidding me. I gotta start all over again. Okay, so I'm explaining this AJ session buys we took last night. Now, 5-minute demand rejection, price came all the way down here to the left, rejected the demand, we pushed up, we had failure to break above this previous high here, right? We were even trying to see, okay, can we catch a quick sell as well, but it never gave the setup. Now, since we did not have that, I'm like, okay, previously here, price only rejected the minor low. That was yesterday. It did not close below the major low of the range, which is this low right here that created this major high, right? We did not break it and we pushed up aggressively. When Asia session opened, we failed to break above the highs that this low created. Couldn't get itself set up, so we were waiting for the buys. Over here, we've got our buy setup, which is aggressive buying, buyers coming in, and then we just wait for the reaches of the newly formed demand. And the reason why I decided to target this supply right here, that's the supply that I actually had my target on. It was 200 ticks. Now, this is the reason why I targeted that high. I'm like, okay, this is just the first range and it's a minor range considering that the move to the downside started from up here and we have a continuation here and a continuation there. So I decided to target the first continuation because that first continuation could also hold because sellers came in hard from there. So I decided to target that high because of the failure to break the major low. I hope that makes sense. I hope that answered your question. So this is pretty much how I trade now after a lot of back testing. So now more than ever, I have to wait for my setup. If I do not see it, I'm not taking shit. That's why I said it earlier, this week I will it. So I hope that answers your question. Oh,
Well, it was a great trade anyway. You know, it's like it was worth the wait.
Wouldn't
Nice.
have made that much if we took the sell anyway. Would the TP would have got TP.
Oh man, do I buy this?
Good luck.
Or is it just...
It keeps rejecting down here, so it could actually go up.
it's rejecting up there though.
I think it was like maybe three. There was maybe like three of these candles ago. I was considering buying it against the low, and then I was like, man, this is when I make stupid decisions and I get in a trade that I'm stuck in for like ages, and I take a break even or a loss.
So Trader E is going to depend on setup. I didn't target the first ring. I targeted the second one. This is the first ring. That's not the final target. Even the 1-to-1 was before the first range. But I must say, if you want to trade like that, don't just leave your trade running, because sometimes you not get the whole thing. Get at least 1-to-1 if you took the right trade. So 1-to-1, I'll take some off. I don't even move my stop loss, because if I get 1-to-1 and I take, let's say, 70%, now I only have 30% left running. Even if the trade comes back down and stops me out or go back up depending on the position I do take, I'm not going to lose everything I've made, I'm still going to be in profit. And that's why I love this now. I've tried a lot of back testing. This is a long one. If this, I only got 2 more minutes, 1 more minute left. I was gonna say if this going candle closes with a body, man, sellers that try getting in down here, they in trouble. You buy it if it breaks the highs for it to come back. We were breaking highs. Nah, I'm not waiting for it to come back. I'm gonna take it closer. Right now,
That's the
we're
best
breaking
trade.
highs. So what?
Just go with the trend. The best trade is just go with the trend.
Yeah.
Good luck, Pi. He's probably in the buys.
It's a strong demand that we're acting down. That's why acting like that. Can it go up from here though? That's the question. Big question. I would prefer the liquidity grab and it's one out of the main, but we'll see.
No, it can't go up from here.
You know, the market has the final say. Leave London
Oh
alone.
man.
If this candle flips, closes bullish, and it should go up because it's grabbed the lows.
Yeah, I'm like, damn, it's still gonna, wick back in, wick back up.
Oh boy.
Wow.
Closes bullish, this should go up from here. And it should give it a pullback before the big. This time around, there has to be. Like, since we didn't get it from the to the downside, we should get it now to the upside, especially because of all this freaking. Of all this choppiness to the left. Actually buy some here, selling it, and oh, okay. You know, some people are looking to sell from here. Oh, he's
Why
dropping.
are you still
He's
in?
dropping. Let me just sell it from anywhere.
Yeah. FOMO. That's FOMO. He's not talking anymore.
He's in.
He's in
That's
a
why
nail
he's not.
biter.
That's why he's not.
He's holding on for dear life. He's like, come on, gold.
Doing it. grabbed and he punched his $10,000 desktop and monitor. Uh-oh.
Oh no! Oh no!
Uh, yeah, come down, go. Grab that low. If it comes down and grab this low and start pushing up, whoever try buying from here, they'll be cussing go down.
Yo,
That's not enough. Come on.
tap it. Get all the way down there. I don't know. Maybe Pi did buy it. He was talking about it, and then he went real quiet.
I mean, he talked about buying it earlier. Maybe he did it. I don't know. Ah, come on, you didn't tap it yet. Well, even if you tap it, it's fine. As long as you grab this low. So, I am good. Like it. And that 4 hour could hold. Grabbing this minor high at the 0.6.4.
Uh, no, I'm here. Kill the beat. Someone's at the door. That was all.
Damn,
No,
you took forever to let them in then.
no, they can't. They're having new flooring done.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Did
I
you
had to
check
show around
the
quick.
Did you check the buys?
No. It's like 4 p.m. here. I don't know if I'll trade anymore. Otherwise, you get stuck in it, and then the kids are home, and it's chaos.
Hmm.
And I'm in drawdown, and then I get a bit violent, and it's oh, come on.
Man, it's no joke if you're like in a trade or had a bad trading day and people start like, saying or doing dumb shit, like the tolerance level is not there.
Oh, it's
Nah,
non-existent, honestly,
it's not.
man.
Oh, Kill the Beat's right, Cap. You've traded later than this.
could draw down at all and it fell. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And then full TP smashed.
Yeah.
Target those lows, take it out. That's crazy. What would our be on that? That's gotta be like 3-1.
Uh, getting here. 70. This one.
Okay.
Oh, not bad. That's
2.6.
good. That's
Yeah,
pretty
that was
good.
good. I mean, if you take less trades, but you're making 2.6, that's like, 2.6 trades in one. So,
Yeah. Even if you're going, it's still good.
Yeah.
This is actually look high. Depending on how this candle closes, might have a 5-minute event here. No bottom weak on this candle. Alright. Have a 5-minute demand here. Don't wait. Oh, it's 10:05. I would like to see one more candle, one more bullish candle closure here. 5 minutes. Guess it should be back to Asia. It's 10 a.m. over here. So, YouTube, that's it for me. I will see you guys again tomorrow, and hopefully tomorrow we'll have a NY session trade. Zoom. I'll see you guys doing Asia session tonight.
All right. Thanks, Abe.
Welcome, guys. Alright, YouTube. God bless. See you guys tomorrow. I'm out. Peace. I'll catch you guys later tonight.